Kailangan ako na bahala dito. Guys, nakamatay ako. Wait lang. I have ammo. Wait lang, kinukuha ko yung mga ammo.
Ano ba, guys?
Guys! Help me! I'm dying! Kunin mo lang yung mga ammo pile dito. Yung sa mga guards.
Wala na akong bahala.
Mga guard. Hindi, gumana na eh.
Police! Police outside. The cops are here.
Wait, ginuguluhan ako. Wait lang wait, ginuguluhan ako ng aso. Hey, what's up guys? It's a boy Rafdon on this YouTube video. We're here playing One Arm Coop with my friends. Say hello.
What's up, guys?
I'm with
What's up, YouTube?
I'm with Michael Play 731 and Vivis Nathan 007.
Yes.
What's up,
Magnanakaw.
Welcome.
Number
Say
one team. What up, boys? What up, gamers?
I appreciate you all watching this.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to y'all.
And have fun watching.
yeah, what?
And have
Yeah,
fun watching us break in.
yeah. Well,
Have fun watching Still Mona Lisa.
Guys, once we're caught by the police, we're gonna invoke the fifth.
Bet.
Bet.
okay, game. So, yung gagamitin natin na map is Pegasus Museum of Art. So, yung pwede namin kukunin is main objective talaga dito is the Mona Lisa though. Okay, game. Ready? Uy, sino hindi nag-ready? Uy, Michael Play. Akala ko. It's been a long time to play this game, so...
Oh my gosh. How to play the game? I forgot.
Yeah, same.
Drill?
Mali yun. Wait lang, kailangan natin ng drill. Kailangan natin ng drill. Alagay nyo dito sa duffel bag. Yan, alagay nyo dito sa duffel bag. Remember, we need to bring every single duffel bag here, okay? Okay, let's go. Let's go to the back, boys.
Tayo nyo ako.
Bet.
Saan na kayo? Dito ako.
Kami, boys.
Tumatalo na ako. Lockpick time,
Ako
boys.
magla-lockpick.
Okay, ikaw na magla-lockpick. Bilis.
Saan na?
Ito. Saan ka ba? Dito. Lockpick mo yan.
Sige.
Damn, lahat tayo may alam mo, natawa ako. Lahat tayo may dalang burn. Ay, ng load ng tools. Out of nowhere. Sabay-sabay ba kayo yung nagla-lockpick?
Yes. Absolute Sigma.
Are we in? Yeah,
Hello.
let's go. Okay,
Delivery.
let's be careful. Wait lang. Ako muna dito. Ako muna bahala. Napagin natin mga duffel bag dito. Paano mag-sneak? Di ba
Ito.
shift?
Hindi. Control.
Control. Wait lang. Saan yung control? Ayun. Wait lang! May pulis! Wag niyo bailin. Ako muna. One by one muna.
Hell no.
Hi, guys.
Wait lang. Kunin natin to.
Oh, fuck. Ano to? Oh, close the door. Ay, shit.
Card.
What the hell?
Bakit ako kinulong?
Ako, boy.
Okay, game. We don't care about that. We don't care about this. Just shoot.
Shoot.
Kaya magdala ng duffel bag. Ako na bahala magbabaril. Kaya magdala ng duffel bag.
Bro.
Dito.
Okay, follow.
Wait lang. Wala yung kamay ko. Okay, game. The baker. Mag-drill kayo. Drill.
Oh, wait. I have a drill.
Wala akong drill.
Okay na. Okay, yung duffel bag. Iwan mo.
Teka lang.
Teka lang nga. Sabantay ko yung... Oy! No!
Wait lang, ako na bahala dito. Guys, nakamatay ako. Wait lang. Hindi ako nakakapag-reload. Ay, go.
Oh, hell nah.
Hell no, we killed so many people though.
That's the point of
Teka lang, ano ko yung new volume ko?
Ay, electrician! By the way guys, if kung wala ka narinig ng background sounds because natanggal ko kasi nga gusto ko marinig mo na yung boses natin. It's too loud to be honest. I'm running out of ammos though. I'm running out of ammos, so we need to do this fast before I'm running out of ammos. Kunin niyo yung duffel bag niyo. Dito. Sa isa pa, exit. Doon pa sa isa pa. Doon tayo dito. Katabi ng toilet.
Magtatay tayo? O, sige.
Dito tayo papasok. Diyan sa katabi lang. Nathan, what are you doing there? Move!
Teka lang. Walang atras.
Defense, you hold them. Wala na akong ammo.
Bet.
Paano ba mag-reload ng... Paano ba kumuha ng bagong ammo? Panibagong ammo?
Watch out for the electrician.
To be honest, I don't know that this is the ammo pile for reload.
Got it.
I tried to click them to pick them up to use the ammo as my reload, but I accidentally shoot them and I didn't realize that I have to walk to the ammo pile to get the reload for my gun. I feel stupid and idiot at the same time because I didn't realize I have to walk them to pick them up. I'm really stupid from this. Oh yeah, I just walked them. Okay guys, I have ammo. Wait lang, kinuha ko yung mga ammo nila. Guys! Help me! I'm dying! I may be the worst robber to be honest because I've been collecting ammos and running out ammos really badly.
Okay lang yan.
Ako din eh.
Kunin mo lang yung mga ammo pile dito sa mga guards.
Wala na akong bahala.
Dito sa mga guards, madami ng mga ammo pile dito.
Ako, teka lang, gina-guard ko yung power box para walang...
Sige lang, ako yung binabantay ko dito yung mga ibang tauhan. Gamitin ko yung mga pistol ko, wala akong pake.
Yes!
Yan na.
Power box dead.
Bilis.
Oy! Guard!
Meron din sa harap, bilis.
Door's locked!
Lockpick! Mag-lockpick! Nathan, ikaw mag-lockpick. Kaming bahala ni Vives dito.
Teka lang, wala na akong lock.
May lockpick pa dyan sa Dafo. Ay, cool to.
Wala akong
God.
Wala kayong lockpick?
Meron, get in my bag. I think it's only my bag.
Kunin mo yung bag mo.
Okay guys, cover me.
Yeah, we're covering you.
Sure.
Vives, dun ka sa left. Ako sa right.
Okay. Aha. Uy, my shield!
Wala tayong...
Barin mo yung paa!
Okay na, patay na.
Yan.
Wala na dito sa right. Doon ako. Kasi nga wala na silang nag-spawn eh. So, sa up tayo tapat. Ay, ito, wag to. Ano tanky guard dyan? Di mo mamapatay yan.
Ako na to.
Ay, dalhin niyo yung drill niyo. Bilis. Akong bahala dito.
Where's my bag?
US Army.
My bag? It's locked. Where's the bag with the lockpick and stuff?
Ito, nahulog lahat to. Nahulog dito. Ay, go. Wait lang, meron mo mababal sa akin.
Yes.
Akong pake, kung mamatay ako. At least nakuha niya na yung kalakan niya inakawin. Alala, naman din yung guard.
Where's the other duffel bags, Nathan?
It's right here with me. Don't
All,
worry.
It hurts.
are all the three duffel bags here?
It hurts.
Okay.
Wait.
I'm running out of ammo.
Oh God.
Oh God, there's more. I don't have any ammo. Oh, yung power box.
Intense naman to.
Wala akong bahala, guys. Help.
Wait lang.
Oh no, army!
Oh, I'm walking inside. I don't care. I'm walking inside.
Electrician.
I killed him. Guys, I'm about to die. Oh my god. I'm about to die. Ay, Diyos ko po. Matalino yung guards dito.
We're gonna lose.
Yeah, we're gonna lose.
Retreat!
Retreat, boys, retreat.
Take cover.
Retreat, go to the van, fast. Go to the van.
Army guard dead. Army guard is dead.
Go to the van, boys. Go to the van first. Let's speed up.
Van. Bago mag-all-in, game plan mo na.
Oh, yung sunset ko kayo. Wait.
The more guards are coming though. I'm dead. I'm about to die, boys. I'm about to die. Oh, Diyos ko po.
Guys, tulong.
Oh shoot.
Where are you guys?
Oh shoot.
Hoy! Electrician spotted!
Wait lang, may patating na electrician dito.
Guys,
Sige
help
lang.
me. I have no bullets.
Sige
Oh
lang.
god. Open the door!
Hindi ako makabukas. Oh my god, I'm about to die.
Help.
Reg,
Pwede ba mag-revive tayo nito?
Pwede.
Ako mag-revive sa inyo?
hindi ko alam kung pwede mag-revive though.
I think nasubukan na natin yan dati, no?
Oo, baka. Yung electrician doon, no? Nag-assist siya. Awit.
Oh my god! Hell na! Ito na naman tayo!
Patay sa'yo. Okay, bilis.
Guys, magko-collect.
Short the box! Short it!
Uy, sino gagawa? Wala akong dala.
By me, I'm red screen.
Wait lang. Sige. Ginagamit ko yung pistol ko muna. Kasi yun yung...
Electrician.
Patay halos lahat.
I have no ammo, bro.
Yung electrician. Pinapatay ko na halos lahat dito. Kalma kayo. Sige, patay ka din. Gusto po, napaka-chaotic nito.
Saan?
Guys, doon sa left. Guys, I'm dead. Mamatay na ako. Oh my God. No. Nabantaan ko isang power box. Guys, bilisan nyo.
May duffel bag ako. Kailangan ko dito.
Kunin nyo yung duffel bag nyo. Patay sila. Anong ginagawa mo?
Hindi gumagalaw pa yung katawan eh. Parang buhay pa eh.
Patay na sila sa akin kanina pa.
Oh. Teka lang. May isa pang duffel bag dito na kalimutan ano.
Sakit.
Ammo.
Let's scream! Electrical boy!
Bakit mas malakas yung electrician sa mga police?
Kasi sila yung nagtatanggal ng electricity. Kung bakit?
Kaya ano sila?
Of course, they're insulated.
May isa pang electrician. Napatay ko na. Isa pa.
Oy. Bulin nyo.
Patay na.
My guard.
Ba't dalawa lang yung duffel natin?
May isa pa doon sa loob ng entrance natin kanina.
Oy, saling sa akin.
Bulin nyo! Nathan, get that, please. Get the other duffel. We need as much duffels.
Nasaan yung lockpick, boys?
Hold on, there's a guard here. Hold on. There, bro.
Right.
Sa akin to,
Wait lang, ako na bahala sa lockpick. Kayo na bahala dyan. Oh my God. Jiggle. Okay na.
Oy! What's up? Shield!
Okay na.
Kaya na shield!
Okay na. Kailangan ng lockpick.
Really?
Wait. Ginawa ko yung double bag mo. Ginawa ko yung double bag mo. Palagay mo sa duffel bag. Same here.
Uy, wala ako. Hindi ba yan, guys?
Meron pa doon sa labas. Meron pa doon sa labas.
Sige.
No loot, Nate. Nate, you can take my loot here. Take my duffel bag.
It's fine. I have my
I need
own.
someone to carry the Mona Lisa. Carry the Mona Lisa. Wait, no. I'll carry the Mona Lisa. I'll steal the Mona Lisa. You guys steal the other loot, please.
I got you.
I'm having had a hard time on using this.
I can't fit this loot. What the heck?
I cannot even fit all of the loot in my duffel bag though.
Oh, ang laki.
Bilisan nyo! Napan!
Guys! So much guards at the back. Help.
Oh shoot! Labas! Wala may laki!
Ang ako yung kay Mona Lisa, pre.
Wait lang, mabalik ako sa'yo. Mayroon akong dala kasi. Nathan, protect Vives. Bilang, dinadala ko yung aking muna sa van.
Nathan, I'm gonna die. I'm so gonna die.
Bro, where are you?
At the back where we came in. I'm red screen.
Wait lang.
I'm going out.
Punta na ako. Rolling out, boys. Rolling out.
Saan yung van?
Boy, they're right.
Okay, I got the artwork. Mona Lisa.
Okay, Nathan, where are you? Where's your loot? There it is. Guys, I'm coming.
Get the other one sa loob.
Guys,
Meron pang doon sa loob.
Kunin nyo
I have one more loot. I have one more loot.
yung loot nyo. Kunin nyo yung loot. Protect us.
Wait.
Protect us.
One more.
Bilis. Protect.
This guy is so sneaky with his barbed wires.
Ow.
Atras.
Go.
I'm getting shoot behind though. I already bought the loot. Where are you guys?
Atras na tayo. Matras na tayo.
Bilis. Bunda. Yo, Vives, where are you?
Coming.
Ikaw talaga nakakata yung dala mo.
Tapos na tayo.
Okay, bilis. Yes. Yes! Woo!
Yun!
Damn, I killed 250 police. Damn. I killed so many.
I don't know how many I killed. Pero
Mayroon ako kasi akong achievement nakuha. Ako yung next. Ano maganda? Inakawin natin yung mansion. Kunin natin yung mansion.
Okay.
Load out. Bibili ako ng
Alam mo bakit?
Ah.
Yung main objective dito is nakuhin yung kotse.
MK47, ano ba yan?
Hindi pa ako makabili. Okay, anyways, game.
Okay lang, wala. Wait. Mag-ano po na ako,
skills. Magbibili ka ng skills.
Bibili ako ng skills dapat, pero inisipan ko muna eh. Bring your lock pick, guys, because lock pick is much valuable to be honest. Maybe we can sneak in inside, but not getting caught.
patayin ko yung guard, ah.
Ay, nakita ko
Uy.
ng guard. Ano to? Ay, may hook. Pwede natin nalagay yung kotse dito yung hook. Ito yung dalhin natin dapat para malagay natin yung kotse sa loob. Okay, Vives, wag. Careful. May isa pang guard sa
Mag-alarm
taas. May dito yun.
Oh, really?
Oh. Guys, sa likod.
Oh my God, andito na yung military.
Police.
Or yung SWAT.
May motor dito?
The cops are here.
The police have entered the building.
Kailan, meron akong secret. Meron akong keycard. Saan yung room?
Don't do that. Dito.
Dito.
Get the police to enter the building, bro. Pasok.
Police outside. The cops are here.
Wait lang, yung aso ko nagugulo sa akin. Wait.
Oh my God.
Tumigil ka dyan! Ako! Ako! Ay ko!
Ah,
Namatay ako!
when one man or
Namatay ako!
Re-revive kita.
revive.
Punta kayo sa garage. Punta kayo dun sa showroom. Bilis. Doon ako.
Andyan ka.
Revive
lang.
me. Vives.
Ow, Nathan, help!
Hold on.
Ito ba yung kotse na nakuhin natin ba?
Ay, may swimming pool, grabe.
Hindi yata yun. Sino may drill?
Ako.
Okay. Ay, may swimming pool ka. Grabe naman.
May safe pa dito sa
Ito lang. Wait. Hindi pala. Okay.
Guys, okay na yung power box. Okay,
Grabe naman, bro.
okay na yung power box.
Gabi din niyo akong mahal. So, ibig sabihin, wala na kayong asawa. I think I left the other duffel bag inside of the police guard
may
room.
own duffel bag.
Oh shoot, may police army dito ulit.
Army! Juggernaut.
Patay na. Kaya na bahala magpatay
Ano yun?
sa akin.
Ano yung car? Ay, ito! Yo! Wow!
Yun, boss.
Ako na bahala.
Sama ko sa pagtaas. Yun.
Sama tayo lahat.
3.
Bye, binabayal ako sa taas. So, paano to dalhin? So, yun yung pwede sakayin. Wait lang guys, protect me guys. Wait lang, may idea ako.
Ay,
I feel like I have an idea. Guys, protect me. I'm going to use this tow hook to steal the car. But here. Here, let's go.
Let's go.
Grabe gumagalaw sa sarili niya. Grabe, oh.
Hindi, yung motorized ng
Ito
hook.
sa string.
Oh, pero ang galing.
The motorized of the hook. Yung ginagawa.
This car's
Ang
gonna be
galing.
by us, bro.
Ang dami!
Yung...
Ang dami!
What the? Oh my gosh!
Bro, I don't care if there's too many. We can handle them. It's not like in the museum, though. The museum is really chaotic. To be honest, the museum is more chaotic than this.
Yes.
Bago naman ito.
Ayan, broom.
Kotse yan kasi.
Saan ba
Oy, may toaster. Ano to? Magpapataguho ng pizza bread. Eh.
Pizza bread. Sige, meron ako ditong pan. Pwede tayo magluto.
I have a beer. Guys, I have a beer here.
Guys, I just realized, inananakaw natin lang yung mga
Beer,
kitchen
yes.
supplies. Oh my God, guys.
Kitchen supply.
May pan din ako. May pan din ako.
Guys, may beer ako dito. Beer. Saan yung
Beer.
May beer ka? Meron akong wine.
Goodbye.
So, anyways, guys, this is going to be our goodbye from this one-armed robbery. dalawang robbery yung ginawa natin sa bagay. It's a museum and a mansion. That's a big hit, to be honest. Right?
A big yeah.
Yeah. So, anyways, this is going to be the final goodbye. Before this video ends, please subscribe to this channel and comment down below what do you think about this video. And say goodbye to other of my friends because maybe soon that we will not be playing with them. But maybe we will be. But not easily. Like, far too long pa. So, magsabi kayo yung final goodbye sa video, boys.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Anyways, bye-bye guys. See you on the next video. Yeah, go ahead, Ethan.
Alright, goodbye YouTube, and you'll be seeing us both play with Fazon again. That should happen anytime soon. And I'd like to say my goodbyes and thanks in playing with him. Bye-bye.
Okay, see you guys on the next video from my other game series, Minecraft series, other videos that I'm posting very, very soon. That's all, and see you guys there. Bye-bye.